Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to discuss about different types of clouds. Okay, after this class, if you go onto your terrace and watch, if you see any cloud from there, you will be able to characterize which kind of, what kind of a cloud is that. Okay, I'm giving you surety. Okay, what people do is before going to exam, they just by heart these things and forget in exam. Ratta Maro Zindabad, they will do that, but in for exam they will just struggle to remember what this thing. But actually, remember this thing is very simple. Remembering what type of clause there is simple. This it depends upon prefixes. That's it. Prefixes and individual names. How you are placing a prefix. Okay. How you are able to place this prefix is important. Okay. First, just go through my slides. Okay. I will be placing few words. Try to understand that thing. First, remember these individual names. Wherever you find cirrus, Cyrus or whatever, it means if feather shaped cloud. Okay, feather shaped cloud. Next, cumulus. It is a wool shaped one. Like this, it will be. See, these are not prefixes. I will be explaining prefixes next. Okay, how you will be using prefixes. Okay? Try to be patient. Okay. Next, stratus. It is a stratus means stratification means separating means layers. Next, okay, this is the thing. Fine. Even there is a other thing also. If any cirrus is given, its position is high. Highest cloud is cirrus. Next, alto. Atu kadu, itu kadu. Middle. Okay. Alto means middle. Next. So what is left near to ground? This thing is right. This is near to the ground. Okay. Remember that thing. Simple. Next. See. Now try to watch this picture. See. Cirrus. Just see this thing. Alto means middle, I told. Okay. I did not say any meaning. Okay. Just prefix. Okay. Next, cumulus. That is what? This shape, right? Next is stratus. It is stratified. Means layers. See, layers. Next, what did we discuss next? Cumulus. These are things we discussed. Alto, if there is any prefix that resembles middle. Majjina. Beach mein. Okay. That's it. Okay. Till here we came. Next, prefixes. Wherever you find cirro as prefix or suffix in like this, it gives the meaning that cloud is present is the highest cloud. Okay, highest. Next, alto. I already told middle. Alto, middle. Next, strato. See, I'm not saying the individual names means individual meaning. See, stratus means layers. I'm just giving the meaning of prefix. Strato means ground, near ground. Okay, most of the things got completed, and another individual name is left. That is nimbus. Nimbus are nothing but precipitating clouds. Means rainfall, hailstorm, rainfall. Means wherever you find rainfall is due to nimbus. Remember that. Now we will go into real picture. Okay. See. Just see. Cirro, highest. Cumulus, individual name. Remember what is that? Wool. Wool. So highest thing in the that is the thing. Simple. If strato comes means that is near ground. See, stratocumulus, a wool typed cloud near ground. Stratus, individual name, not prefix. What is that? Layers. Simple. Suppose cirrostratus. Stratus means what? Layers. Cirro prefix means highest. See, highest layered cloud. Highest layered cloud. Suppose, see, don't try to watch that picture and try to answer this thing. Alto stratus. So in this, what is the prefix? Alto, which means middle. Stratus means layered. So a layered cloud present in between, I mean, highest and near ground. See, alto stratus. Suppose if I give you strato nimbus means, in which position it will be there? First, try to mean the nimbus. Nimbus means rainfalling cloud. It will be near ground and raining. If I give you alto nimbus, means it will be here in middle and giving rainfall. If I give you see, which is the biggest cloud in this whole climate classification is cumulonimbus. In summer season, suddenly there will be a rainfall, right? Or else in cyclonic times, we observe these things. That is cumulonimbus. This is the biggest cloud. Okay, remember this thing. Okay. Suppose most of the things we completed. If I give you cirro cumulus, so where it is present, this is the highest cloud. First, highest means it should be top, the top. Okay. What is the cumulus? Means popcorn. Simple. This is how you do. I will give you another example. Alto cumulus means, what is the prefix? Alto means middle. Next, cumulus. Okay. Cirro nimbus. What is the individual meaning of nimbus? Rainfall. So it should be raining. It is dark. Cirro. Cirro means top. Simple, right? But people, what they do, they don't link. I mean, they doesn't try to link these pieces and just do ratta mardo and go to exam and forget that. By linking everything, you will be remembering this whole climate within 10 minutes. See, even the time is 8 minutes. Within that, we learn this thing. Simple, right? Try to practice again and again. You will remember. Okay. Simple. If you remember individual names and prefixes and join them, you will know where that cloud is there, what is the shape of that. Simple. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your fellow aspirants. All the best.